We're looking at the dates. Today is March 26th. Saturday will be the 27th, and Sunday will be the 28th. We'll be back here on Monday, weaning down March until we have no more March left, and we'll be into April. Let's sing our Days of the Week song. Are you ready to sing with me? Yeah. All right. Oh, let's turn up that volume. He's coming to visit you. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Clap those hands. Clap them again. Your turn. Let me hear you. I can't hear you. Days of the week. 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 All right, and today is Friday, March 26th, 2021. And we're looking at our pattern. Let's start right here. We have our clover and our heart. So say the pattern with me. Hat. Clover, hat. Clover, hat. Clover, hat. Not hard.
Oh, you were trying.
And then let's try it again. So right here. Clover, hat. Clover, hat. Clover, hat. Clover. And we'll come right here. Let's say it again. Clover, hat. Clover, hat. Clover, hat. Clover, hat. All right, good job. Can you believe next week to the end of March? We said it was going to be windy today, and there's a breeze, but I wouldn't say it was windy. And you said it was raining today, and it did rain this morning. It will rain overnight too, but hopefully the sun will come through and dry everything out. What about tomorrow? What kind of weather are we going to have for our Saturday?
Snow.
Say it one more time.
No.
Snow! I think we're too warm now for snow, but I'll put it there and see if it's
I don't know.
right.
Next week we're back into the 40s and 50s.
Oh, really?
Not toys today.
Here we go. Let's sing our alphabet, which I was thinking we need to start transferring over to saying. Here we go. Let's sing it. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? All right, counting to 15. Are we ready? Touch your nose. Touch your chin. Touch your neck. Touch your elbows. Nope, that's your back. Elbows.
Right here.
Elbows.
Right here. Bend your, yep.
Yep,
Right there.
that's your elbow. Here's your other one right here. All right, hands in lap. And let's count to 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right, count backwards from 5. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. All right, let's look at some colors. My friend is sitting on purple. What color is my bus? My friend sitting on orange. What color is disgust? My friend sitting on yellow. What color is my triangle?
Right.
My friend sitting on green. What color is Cecilia Wheelia?
Purple.
All right, my friend sitting on green. What shape is brown?
A diamond.
Yes. What's the other name for diamond?
Rhombus.
Good job, buddy. My friend sitting on purple. What shape is green?
Oval.
Yes. My friend sitting on orange. What color or what shape is black? Yep. What is it?
Rectangle.
Yes. Good job. My friend sitting on yellow. What shape is blue?
The Bible.
Triangle. Excellent. All right. We have our nurse rhyme this week. This is Little Miss Muffet. Little Miss Muffet sat on a tuffet, eating her curds and whey. Along came a spider, who sat down beside her and frightened Miss Muffet away. All right. Move on and let's take a look. Our letter this week is the letter I. I for Isa, the iguana, and the Incredibles. Let's sing about where we start our letters by standing up. Maybe?
Monster Math presents
No, not Monster Math.
Addition Below 10.
2, 1.
Okay, class.
Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. At the top, here we go. Where do you start your letters at the top? Reaching up. Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. The bottom, go down. Shake it in the middle. It's the top. Start your letters at the top. Reach up. Way up at the top. Yes, it's the top. Reach out and touch the top. Going down. Reach down. Way down at the bottom. Yes, it's the bottom. Reach out and touch the bottom. Now we're counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. Top, bottom, shake it in the middle. Top, bottom, shake it in the middle. Top, bottom, shake it in the middle. Do you start your letters at the top? Or do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. No, it's the bottom. No, it's the middle. It's the top. Hands are up at the top. What letter are we making? I. What letter? I. I says it. Like itch that nose. Let's start making the letter I by grabbing that big line and putting it under the center starter. We put it under the star. Our little line at the top. Good job. What letter did that make? T. Is that our letter this week? No. Our letter this week is the letter I. We grab our little line and put it at the bottom. And we say, let's put our fingers up at the top. Let's say it together. Big line down. Frog jump up. Little line across the top. Little line across the bottom. What letter did we make? I. What letter? I. One more time. Fingers at the top. And we say, big line down. Frog jump up. Little line across the top. Little line across the bottom. What letter is that? I. Like my eye. I. And I says like itch. All right. Thank you for joining us for Circle Time today, and we will see you on Monday.